Hello, everyone. It's me, Biola Denuga, and I'm so excited to welcome you to this course, Introduction to Java. This course pretty much we would not be designing any practical application in that sense. It's more of like introducing you to the key syntax and like concept of Java as an object-oriented programming. So pretty much you'll be using this as a mirror for your thought process. I should emphasize that this course is specifically designed for middle school and high school students that are just beginning Java programming. Of course, prior experience of block-based programming like MIT App Inventor or Scratch or Snap or any of those platforms would be great. But if you don't have that experience, you will still be well taken care of because we'll be starting from the very basic. So like I said, again, we just trying to promote computational science in secondary school and allowing students to really use it as a mirror for their thought process. In case you're wondering where we come across the theme, we came across it from one of Steve Jobs' late interview before he passed away. So please enjoy.
And to do a lot of the dog work for us in terms of calculating master frequencies with subdivisors to get other frequencies and things like that. We used the computer quite a bit to calculate, how much error we would get in the frequencies and how much could be tolerated. So we used them in our work, but much more importantly, it had nothing to do with using them for anything practical. It had to do with using them to be a mirror of your thought process, to actually learn how to think. Because I think the greatest value of learning I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer. Should learn a computer language because it teaches you how to think. It's like going to law school. I don't think anybody should be a lawyer, but I think going to law school would actually be useful because it teaches you how to think in a certain way. In the same way that computer programming teaches you in a slightly different way how to think. And so I view computer science as a liberal art.
All right, so thank you for watching that. Pretty much let me walk you through the files, the applications that you will need pretty much to run your program. So first of all, I need you to download something. It's called Java Runtime Environment. If you put that in Google, pretty much please go to the Oracle website. That is the most secured one, I believe. So if you go there, please feel free to scroll down and you should select the one that aligns with your operating system, of course. So please look for your operating system from the list and download the version for your operating system and install that. So what Java Runtime Environment pretty much does is it allows your Java code to be able to compile and execute on your computer. You also need something called Eclipse IDE, which is the Java compiler that we'll be using throughout this course. So to do that, if you type in Eclipse IDE to Google, it should take you to the official website, which is the first link. Please pretty much click on that and download the one for download the one for your operating system. If you don't want to install anything on your computer, that's fine. There are a few other Java online compiler that you can make use of. I strongly recommend JDoodle. This one is pretty good as well. So pretty much you could type in your code and you could execute. All right. But of course, please try to install JRE on your computer and Eclipse. That would be the preference for when we start getting user input and all of that. Anyway, thank you for watching this video.